It's so hot. And I murder girl say where them have on the frack. Yo, yeah, hear me think mad. Look out for it,
like that.
Progress Bass Music coming soon. We're there with
Just tune in with TR. Just tune in with TR. From 2 each day to 5 I say no. Tune in with TR. For inspiration, going across the nation, hey. Tune in with TR. Oh, TR. Just tune in with TR. Come on, TR. Tune in with TR.
Yeah, man, I want to say greetings to the name of His Imperial Majesty Jah.
Shut up! Boy, your greetings.
I'll have you screaming for more. Got the goodies, baby. I'll make you want it more. I set your world on fire. This is sexy hardcore. Sexy hardcore. Sexy hardcore.
This is TR.
Oh yeah, this is TR. So I want to say, greetings to the name of His Imperial Majesty Jah. Yeah, today is another episode, of course, of the TR Show. And today, we are promoting two brand new artists. We are promoting two brand new Jamaican artists. They are Don Mafia and, of course, Bawda Cat. They are not new. They're not so very new. But, of course, it's the second time I'm featuring Don Mafia on my show. And, of course, the first time for Bawda Cat. Now, Bawda Cat has been the internet sensation since recent times. Of course, I want to say big up to Drizzy, or Drizzy Burke. Big up to you, Drizzy, for bringing out a part of Bawda Cat that he did not know about. So he is now an internet sensation, and I want to say big up to you. The man is as realistic as the TR Show is, and so I want to say big up to the one called Bawda Cat. You know what I mean? So this is a clip that was just sent to me just now by Don Mafia. Yes. And so I am here to promote, because that's what I do. I promote people. If you have a message to send, we are promoting it. Now, we know that the coronavirus had destroyed China, and it is spreading worldwide. And so we want to say, whatever is happening down there, we hope and pray that it doesn't affect us on this side of the world. We want to say big up, this is the TR Show again. Respect to those who tune in. And if you have not yet subscribed, subscribe to the TR Show now. Hey, I'm waiting on you. Subscribe to the TR Show now. Or if you don't, I will come to your house and I will drink all your Milo, all your beers, all your beverages, and then I will pee on your floor. That's right. So subscribe now. Thank you. All right, so we move on. At the end of this very same clip, we also want to say big shout out to Kean Jules, all the way from Grenada. Thank you for doing that clip for me and that shout out for me at the end of this clip. Big ups to you. And thank you very much for tuning in to the TR Show. Now, if anybody can do a better jingle than that of Rohan Clark, tune in with TR. If you can do a better jingle than that, do it and send it to me. I will promote you and promote your channel and promote whatever you want me to promote, and I will tag you to it as well. Now, if you do a better one than, what's his name? Kean Jules, please also send it to me. I will be promoting it and promoting you as well. So thank you guys for coming. Have a blessed evening, morning, afternoon, whatever you have it. All right, scene, blessed.
rat bat soup and I sit down there. But a long time people don't have no rat bat and nothing never happen.
You eat rat bat and you have where you have that.
No, that's why I have to be the lyrics there now. And where you get that something there, go away with that. If a China you come from, try take it back.
Yeah,
Me never
man.
have no rat, me never have no cat or chicken foot soup. Me drink when them a go with rat bad. One day for the virus make my head get so hot. And I murder girl say where them a Vanda frack. Yo, yeah, hear me think mad. Look out for
Mad
people.
like that.
Progress
True,
Bass
man.
music coming soon. We're there with Bawda Cat and a vibe. Prime suspect in the building, total eclipse sound the thing loud, you hear me?
Right
Port
on
and
the
tone.
side today, you saw me I say port
Mad.
and tone amongst
Make
port.
more a beer recording. And studio and I can.
Studio and I can see if going to link up Bawda Cat. Original general.
Thing, brother.
So no
I
man
love
can
the
go
topic
around
we
the
have, you know me I say.
Yeah man,
The
coronavirus
topic
have to get
load,
burn
man.
out.
Yeah, man,
You see me I say,
burn out,
I
man.
remember I say, one day for the virus make man head get so hot. And I murder girls where them a Vanda
That
frack.
frack.
And the boy kill picking a dead man that a jungle justice me set up with a charge of a job. Earthquake come look out for the aftershock. He then a tremble and a have heart attack. So now me warning man a run off a flat. Remember Chronic Law tell you about Hilltop. Cool
Never forward, panda.
With Keen Jules, musician and friend of TR. Just here to endorse the TR show. Really good show, promotes good music and gives you motivation. So please go subscribe. Subscribe.